Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon, ACC Driving School. I'm with a student. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. We're gonna run through the driving test. We're at one of the Broward County DMVs. Um, Before I get into the video, I'm gonna ask you guys to subscribe to my other YouTube channels. So that would be Exotic Car Culture if you're into cars, Sequence Sound if you're into music, reggae, dancehall, sound system. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'm begging you to do so, please. Now we're gonna run through the tests um, really quickly. She's gonna be testing as soon as the DMV opens in a half an hour, right? All right. So they're gonna ask you if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To the left, away from the curb.
What else do you do?
I put the car on park, put the emergency brake, and turn off the engine.
Okay, cool. All right, go ahead. Do your turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Alright, so they're checking your horn, your brake lights, your turn signal, and they will not take you out in the car if any of those things are not working, right? Now they're gonna ask you to turn the wheel all the way left, all the way until it stops. They're checking your left front tire, turn all the way right. Again, they're checking your right front tire. Now go ahead and straighten the wheel. Right there. Alright, again, they will not take you out in a car if the tires are not good. If you come with bald tires, they're not going to be happy with that. Alright, so make sure your tires are decent. Now the examiner will come into the car and they'll tell you basically to listen and follow instruction. Pretty straightforward. So we're going to reverse from here and we're going to go to the left. Look behind and look both ways. At this location you're in a parking lot, so you're looking left and right and backwards. Keep looking back. They don't want you using the mirrors or the camera. Stop here. Soon as your mirror is past the end of the parking lot line like that, you're gonna turn all the way right because they're gonna say reverse and go to the left. Look behind, press the gas gently. Both ways. Alright, that's good enough. And put it back in drive. We're gonna go to the stop sign and make a right turn. And at this location, the stop sign is literally on the floor. It's not standing up. At least some of the stop signs. Again, I'll show you what I mean by that. I did that on the last video, but I'll show you again. This gives you some idea of where we are. I can't tell you where we are, but I can show you a few things. Alright, so now you're gonna make sure it's clear. Look both ways. And go ahead and make your right turn. Make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn so you don't hit the curb with the back wheel. Alright. And we're gonna go straight down here. Signal left. So as soon as they tell you to turn, you make sure you signal. That's crucial. Right. What's the point of that? You're already turning. Why is he blowing? Take your time. Should have switched this battery. The thing is like barely hanging on, and I have a lot of batteries too. So we're gonna park here. So again, you're gonna go forward. In most cars, like I say, you line up your mirror, but in this car, because it's so super short, we're lining up the steering wheel, and it seems to work perfectly. All right, go ahead and turn. Gently on the gas, and as you get to the middle, you're going to straighten off. Gently straighten the wheel, pull straight in, and stop. Don't go too fast now. Alright, reverse. Straight back. Look behind. When your mirror is past the cones, we're going to turn all the way to the right. When you pass the cone like that, you're going to turn all the way to the right. Look behind. Roll straight back. Alright, that's good. Stop here. Put it in drive. We're going to make a quick left turn. Alright, signal left. So they're going to tell you to stop about here. So make sure you're straight though. When you stop, make sure you're straight, like about right here. Now they're going to tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up. And stop. Alright, they're going to tell you to speed up to 20 and stop without skidding, right? So yeah, that was perfect. Now reverse, straight back. Look behind, put your hand right here, look behind, and roll straight back. Until I say stop. No gas, just let it roll, nice and slow. Keep going. Okay, stop about here. Now we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So signal left, put it back in drive, turn all the way left. And you're gonna go forward and stop before you go into the parking space. Press the gas gently. Okay, stop about there. Put it in reverse. Turn all the way to the right. Go away your left shoulder and reverse. Look both ways. Really? How big this parking lot is. You had to come right by us. Like we're literally the only car in the parking lot driving. Put it in drive. They look kind of curious. Let me see what they're doing. Stay close to your right side here. Stop completely. Signal left. So they're going to tell you to make a left. Make sure you signal. Again, if you don't signal, you will lose 4 points for each time. So you don't want to lose points unnecessarily. So you want to make sure you use your turn signal at all times. Stay in the right lane. And we're going to make a right turn at the stop sign. And this right here is kind of tricky because I've had a student fail right here. They stopped at this stop sign, and then when you make the right turn, you know there's a stop sign immediately right here.
Yes.
So she stopped here, and then she drive past that one and failed. So you make sure you stop here, and then you go around the corner and stop again. So you stop here again. 1, 2, 3, go straight. And when you come back, they're going to make you park anywhere over here. Just go back to where we started. Signal left. Park on the left side. Stop. Put it in park. How do you think you did?
Good.
Good. Yeah, you did good. Yeah, you would have passed for sure. If you do it like that, you will pass.
Yes.
So yeah. All right. So again, subscribe to my other channels, please, and remember I have the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes on the website. The website is accdriverseducation.com. I also have the 6-hour class that you need if you're under 18, and the 4-hour class if you're over 18 that you need before you do your learner's permit. All right. Say bye to the camera.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay. Remember, yeah, she said subscribe. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Just be kind. All right. Thank you.